ready?
I'm ready. You didn't say, hey.
Hi, everyone.
Hey, everyone. This is Tony and Zelda, TNC, RV Life, and little old Mike over there.
Hi.
You hear that? You hear that?
Ta-da!
You hear that? Last night, they had the nerve to come in. Michael slides into the back, swoops down at the bottom of the bed, and shoves this up to Daddy while I am trying to be on keto. Not right? It's not right?
I'm not on
All
keto.
of my friends. I don't have that many. But anyway, you guys, isn't that torture? That is torture. Actually, it's not torture right now because I just ate, and I'll show you what I ate.
Hey, who did the steps?
But
Yeah, I just ate 2. I can show you what I ate.
you gonna show them? You took a picture of what you ate?
I sure did. Oh, shoot.
Anyway, today's day 3. I'm not gonna do these every day because there's gonna come a time when my weight is not going to be going or whichever way this is pointed to. But no, touch it. Okay.
That's what I ate.
This is what he ate. Look at there.
Yum.
There we go. That does look good. Looks good.
That wasn't including my bread and my donut.
See?
But I had to get this stuff out the house. That's what she doesn't understand.
I know. You know.
I had to get it out of the house.
I
'Cause
have
don't believe
taken
in
up
throwing it away. Because
the
when I went to the
entire-
donut shop,
I've
came
taken up
back
the entire
home.
refrigerator.
somebody says to me, "You spent $2,600. I mean $26 at the donut shop. What did y'all get?"
Yeah, they did. They got a
Donuts.
lot of donuts. Look at this. Look at this.
Everything went up high.
It did. It did.
I mean, I got the same amount of donuts I've been getting. Was like $20, $18. Now it's $26. Glazed donuts, $6 for 4.
This is doing keto with the real family.
No, this is no.
He's not doing keto, so
I'm
it's
not
okay.
doing keto. I like to eat.
But he did make me the cabbage yesterday. He sauteed my cabbage with the bacon grease and butter. That's the way I like it. I like it with bacon, but I didn't have any bacon cooked.
Oh, I gotta say,
No,
I
I
got plenty of bacon.
got plenty of bacon, just none cooked. I didn't feel like cooking it in there and putting it in there. And then he puts like a ton of onions in his cabbage, and I just didn't want that many onions in my cabbage.
2 onions, small onions.
No. Two
They were small
big
onions. They were small onions. Everything looked big to her when she's cooking and she's weighing her food. I don't weigh food. I eat food.
Yes, I know. Well,
It was 2 small
I have to weigh
onions.
it now so I know how much I'm eating. I know how much I'm eating, but I even bought smaller plates so that my food looks like I'm eating more. So I thought it was cool, but I didn't think about their plates, and I threw out their plates, so I have to buy some more plates.
Oh, hell! Michael should tell this. Michael should tell this story.
Okay, what?
We opened up boxes and we just thought we had some extra bowls. I go to the store and come back. We went for a ride on the golf cart. Come back. We got no dishes. We take the trash out. We throw the bowls, the plates and stuff in the trash. All we got in there is bowls.
It's like a big pasta bowl. That's what it's like.
Big
A
my
pasta bowl.
ancestors, I
Probably
guess.
put a steak
It's
in there.
8 inches.
I like
around.
12-ounce. I like 12-ounce steaks.
Yeah, well, I didn't think about that.
How you gonna
So-
get a T-bone steak in an 8-inch bowl?
Well, I didn't think about that.
But that's okay. I got it. Because I eat out the frying pan. I don't have a problem eating out that frying pan. I will cook it, put it on my little table, and cut it up in that frying pan. I don't have a problem.
T-bone sounds good.
I got.
But we're not going out right now.
They're in the refrigerator.
Oh, okay.
I bought them already.
It is coming down. I don't know if you could see. It's just all white behind us. But it's all white. It's still coming down. And for those that are in that storm path, please stay safe. Don't go out there and have heart attacks trying to shovel all that stuff. Take your time.
Or get fined.
Or get fined. Yeah, well, if you don't shovel it, yeah, you do get fined. But right now, it's still coming down.
Get it while it's soft.
Yes. So.
You said that. Now it's still soft.
I'm going to have to edit. So anyway, I'm doing great. I feel good. Eating between like 11:30 to 7. And then, last night I wanted coffee. And I know I usually drink a coffee every night, a decaf coffee. Well, or a half-calf coffee. I told Michael, make me a cup of coffee. He said, you said you weren't going to eat anything after 7. I said, I know, but I want a coffee, just a half-calf. Well, he thought he heard half cup.
Make me a half a cup of coffee.
No, a half-calf
half.
coffee.
A half and half coffee.
Half-calf
That's
coffee.
what he did. He made a half a cup of
Nantucket
coffee.
blend half-calf. And
I don't even drink coffee. How do you expect me to know?
half a cup of water in the coffee. And luckily, I told him to only put in 1 teaspoon of the allulose instead of a tablespoon, because it was perfect that way. But it didn't mess with my blood sugar, so I'm happy about that. But that was funny.
How many different kinds of coffee you need? This lady right here, she has...
I have Brooklyn caramel.
all kinds of
decaf.
coffee. You don't know what to give her.
I have the Nantucket blend. That's my favorite. And Maxwell House is, it used to be really, really good. But now I like my Green Mountain Nantucket blend. I'm looking at it because it's right over there.
No, she got caramel coffee.
I got caramel
She got
coffee.
walnut coffee. She got coffee she'll mix with Maxwell. You don't mix Maxwell House coffee with no other coffee. But she does, because she don't drink that anymore. I drink it.
I know. Well,
so she takes it and pour it all in the Maxwell House coffee. And then expects me to drink it.
It was good.
What's wrong with making a pot of coffee in the morning?
It was the ground coffee of Nantucket.
You
so
don't
I just
mix
put it in
coffee.
There.
You
You only
Maxwell
had a
House.
little bit of Maxwell House left.
We have 26 cans of coffee outside in the shed.
And we lost some frozen
we lost a lot
items.
of stuff because
it froze out there.
That's a different video. That's a different subject.
Okay. Yes. All right. But anyway, we just wanted
we have
to say,
plenty of coffee. That's my point. We have plenty of coffee.
yes, and I'm going to go have me a cup.
But my
now,
wife,
'cause I
she
want some.
can't make a pot of coffee. She has to make all this flavorful coffee. I just want a cup of Maxwell House. What do I have to do to get a pot of Maxwell House coffee? Just coffee. Nothing. I don't like the flavor.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and get Tony some coffee. No, I'm looking.
Just 1 cup of Maxwell House coffee.
1 cup of Maxwell House coffee.
Can you say that in the video, Maxwell House?
Yes.
Yeah, I like Maxwell
They're
House.
not
For
sponsoring
years.
us. Nobody's sponsoring us. We're not sponsorable at this point. But anyways.
That's how it's going.
Yes. Well, we're going to relax. Don't forget to hit that like button if you haven't hit it.
No, wait a minute. Well, hold up. Let me explain something real quick. That ain't too long. I'm fixing Michael and myself breakfast, lunch, dinner, whatever you want to call it.
Mm-hmm.
And my wife is like sitting down on the bed staring at me like I done something wrong. So
I don't know where this is
we
going.
live in an RV. We got a small 3-burner ice stove. And I'm cooking. I wait for your daddy to move so I can make my coffee. I said to my wife,
So he has to go.
don't worry about it, honey. Turn your stuff off. Come on over here and make your coffee, because it's a job to make a cup of coffee for her. You got to put a little of this, a little of that, touch of this, and a pinch of that. Then you got to stir it up. Then you got to brew it. And then you got to wait, because this coffee pot is the slowest coffee pot I've ever seen in my life. Then, I'm hungry while I'm cooking fast as I can. I just want to cook 2 eggs. Do you see the countertop is covered with fish? The countertop is covered. The sink has got dirty dishes in it.
That was yesterday's meal. I wanted eggs.
The stove is being used. And now you want to cook 2 eggs. She cooked a freaking meal. A whole meal.
I had
eggs.
Cabbage. You cooked me some cabbage.
I'm over there cooking already. All you had to do was wait another 20 minutes.
Oh, so
or get up in the morning and eat, because we had breakfast. We was eating dinner and
eat
lunch.
when I'm hungry. Stop when I'm satisfied. Drink when I'm thirsty.
She get hungry, everybody stop.
That's true.
Everything got to stop. Sit your butt down. I'm hungry. I got to cook me a couple eggs. Thank God she wasn't cooking no chicken.
I know. Chicken breast.
No, when I cooked chicken the day before, my chicken wasn't good enough.
No, it was good. It was just fried, and I want it grilled. That's all.
That's all I got to say about that.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye. It's going to get worse.